luxury living on a private 3/4+ acre lot. The gracious entry leads through the formal living dining room areas and is separated from the family kitchen by etched glass double doors. A separate suite not only has a bedroom and bath but large game pool room area with wet bar and sliding doors to the sparkling screen pool. Perfect for entertaining or the man cave for the exciting Gator football games or movie night. The spaciousness of the master suite is what every owner deserves, and the convenient study completes the picture. The children's wing closes off with a pocket door in close to the kitchen for those evening snacks. A bonus room over the 3-car garage adds to the flexibility of this executive home. Custom built by a private contractor for his own use, he spared no expense with the lighting fixtures and built-ins that your family will enjoy.